Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class second year chapter number 1 functions and limit. In this lecture, I will discuss exercise number 1.4, question number 1, part number 1, 2, 3, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. Let's start question 1. Determine the left hand limit and the right hand limit and then find limit of the function following functions at x approaches to c. That is part first. F of x is equal to x square plus x minus 5. C is equal to 1. Starts first as it is. F of x is equal to 2x square plus x minus 5. First, determine left hand limit. Limit x approaches to c. F of x is equal to limit x approaches to c. Value of c is equal to 1. F of x is equal to 2x square plus x minus 5. Which is equal to 2 into 1 square, it means x square plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 2. 1 square 1 plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 2 plus 1 3. 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Left hand limit is equal to minus 2. Right hand limit limit x approaches to c. Right hand denoted by plus sign. F of x is equal to limit x approaches to c. Value of c is equal to 1. So f of x is equal to 2x square plus x minus 5. Which is equal to 2 into 1 square plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 2. 1 square is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 5, which is equal to 2 plus 1 3. 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. So right hand limit left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Hence, limit x approaches to 1. F of x is equal to minus 2, which is the required solution. Limit of x approaches to 1 plus f of x is equal to minus 2. Next part, next question number 1, part number 2. F of x is equal to x square minus 9 divided by x minus 3. So value of x is equal to minus 3. First, as it is, f of x square minus 9 divided by x minus 3. F of x square minus 9 can also be written in the form of x square minus 3 square divided by x minus 3. Next, f of x is equal to x square minus 3 square can also be written in the form of x minus 3 into x plus 3 whole divided by x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3 cancel. So f of x is equal to x plus 3. First, determine the left hand limit. Limit x approaches to that is value is equal to c is equal to minus 3, x approaches to c minus f of x is equal to limit x approaches to c, value of c is equal to minus 3. F of x is equal to x plus 3, which is equal to minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Limit x approaches to c f of x is equal to 0. So left hand limit is equal to 0. Next we check that right hand limit. Limit x approaches to c plus f of x is equal to limit x approaches to c is equal to minus 3. F of x is equal to x plus 3 is equal to minus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 0. Limit x approaches to c plus f of x is equal to 0. Next, left hand limit is equal to 0 and right hand limit is equal to 0, since limit x approaches to c minus f of x is equal to limit x approaches to c plus f of x, which is equal to 0. Hence limit x approaches to c f of x approaches to c, value of c is equal to minus 3, limit x approaches to minus 3, f of x is equal to 0, which is the required solution. Next, question number 1, part number 3. Question 1 part 3, that is f of x is equal to x minus 5 mod c is equal to 5. First, as it is, f of x is equal to absolute of x minus 5. So absolute, take positive number, so f of x is equal to x minus 5. Negative sign, rejected. Absolute change can also be changed in the form of x minus 5 plus minus, so minus sign, rejected. Take x minus 5, positive sign. Next, left hand limit x approaches to c, f of x is equal to limit x approaches to c, value of c is equal to 5 into x minus 5, which is equal to 5 minus 5, which is equal to 0. Left hand limit is equal to 0. Next, right hand limit first limit x approaches to c, positive sign, f of x is equal to limit x approaches to c, value of c is equal to 5 into f of x, value of f of x is equal to x minus 5, which is equal to 5 minus 5, which is equal to 0. Right hand limit is equal to 0. Left hand limit is equal to 0 and right hand limit equal to 0, since which is equal to 0, hence limit x approaches to 5, f of x is equal to 0, which is the required solution. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.